JC, my damsel. 2009 was the year it all began. The very year our lives would change forever. Our meeting was not a coincidence. We met through friends, then became best of friends. It was wonderful, but slowly life found a way to drift us apart. Ki Sarah Sarah, what will be, that is how it's rightly said. Yes, that was exactly our case. Years later in 2016, we got back together, a little cautious, but the spark between us was as powerful as any other. Friendship was all we both signed for. Little do we know that love and other plans A man stops searching for gold when he finds a gold mine in his backyard. My damsel, you are the modern day vicious woman. And each day when I wake up, I am more than happy that I am a lucky man that will spend the rest of my life with you. I love you, my damsel, and I promise to always be by your side all my life. I love you, my damsel.
We are gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments and to cherish the words which shall unite Jessica and Stephen in marriage. Marriage is the promise between two people who loved each other and who trust in that love, who honor each other as individuals, and who choose to spend the rest of their lives together. This ceremony will not create a relationship that does not already exist between you. It is a symbol of how far you've come this past few years. It is a symbol of promises you will make to each other to continue growing stronger as individuals and as partners. No matter what challenges you face, you now face them together. No matter how much you succeed, you now succeed together. The love between you joins you now as one.